Hey guys! Today I will show you how to recreate this design and how to add and edit transparent video in Wix Studio. Transparent video can make your website more interactive, and you don't need to know how to work in 3D editors to be able to create this effect. So here's how to make it. Open Wix Studio, add a background image first. Now we need to add the text. Go to Add Elements, choose the text. Click Edit, change your text here. Here you can adjust it as you wish. Change the color. Choose the font you like. You can also easily add your own font here by simply clicking on Upload Fonts. Okay, let's add a paragraph below. Go to Add Elements and choose Paragraph. Adjust it the same way. And now I will show you how to create a gradient button. Go to Add Elements, click Button, and choose one of the options to begin with. Resize it. Click Settings and change your text. Change your icon here. In Wix Studio you will find a huge selection of icons, or you can also upload your own. Okay, scroll down, find corners, round them. Click on Customize Fill, choose Gradient, and adjust your colors here. Rotate your gradient, click Apply, change the text and icon color and size. Move it down so it goes right after the paragraph. Select all and click Stack. Align it center. When the text block is done, go to Add Elements and add your logo image. Okay, now that our design is done, let's add our transparent video. Go to Add Elements, click Media, and here choose a transparent video. You can click on more transparent videos and you will find a lot of available options. Or add your own video. Resize it. Go to Layers and move it backwards. Click Behaviors and make sure everything is set right. Automatically, no pause, loops. By the way, you can also customize colors. Pick one of the available ones or add your own. Okay, now we're adding the second video following the same steps. When everything is done, go to Layers. Choose the first video and go to Animation and Effects. Click Mouse Effects. And choose the Move animation, adjust it. Click Publish. So this wasn't hard, was it? Click like and subscribe. As usual, I'm leaving links to all the resources in the description, so go to Wix Studio and check out this feature yourself.